Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, just in case you didn't know, now you do. In today's video, I'm going to be reading you some mean, nasty, rude comments. This is literally a video just made to entertain you. These comments entertain me quite a bit because people truly are trying to be cruel, but in reality, these comments kind of just like bounce off and aren't all that harmful. Anything that is truly harmful, i.e. encouraging me to kill myself or giving really terrible advice that I know is not healthy at all, or even encouraging somebody who clearly has an eating disorder and has admitted so to continue doing what they're doing, I do get rid of those comments. So I won't be reading anything like that, but I'm gonna read you some of the ones that kinda made me be like, wait? Anyway, let's get into it. I'm gonna read some mean comments and you guys can have a laugh right along with me. Before we do get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We're so close to 10,000, and while that's not really something that matters in any way, shape, or form, it's just one of those goals I set for myself that I wanted to hit by the end of the year. And if we can hit it by next Monday, i.e. July 16th, which is my birthday, then I would be ever so eternally grateful, because it would be such a huge accomplishment just to have for my birthday. Anyway, let's get started for real now. Oh God, please go on a diet or get surgery. You are not healthy, please. Exclamation point. To that I say, no. I'll do what I want when I want to do it. It's my body, my choice. And I'm gonna just say that this video was not on, like, this comment was not on a video where I was talking about being fat, the struggles of being fat, what I eat, why I don't want to be skinny, like, yeah, like totally unrelated topic. So this person's screen name is Boxbox, and their comment says, people like you shouldn't post videos like this. You admitted you're a lazy sack of shit and you just wallow in your excuses. These are not reasons, they're excuses. You don't care about your health and you'd rather just indulge. That's called gluttony. If you honestly give a damn about your health, you wouldn't have even made this video. Alright then. That seems like it probably took you a while to make, considering you didn't even spell anything wrong in it. And, I don't care. That's just it. You're not even giving me any constructive criticism. You're just being rude. This one made me laugh because a lot of people ask this, and I've explained it, you'll understand. This one says, damn, where is your ankles? And to that I say, they're in there, they're just hard to see, and I struggle with that question pretty much every day too. I have lymphedema, and my legs are permanently swollen to the size that you see in some videos, and they do actually get a little bigger than that and tighter, but I try really hard to keep it under control to the point where they don't get any bigger than they are, because otherwise my skin would crack open, I'd end with sores, and I don't want that at all. That's terrifying, and it could cause a lot of health problems in the future if I'm not careful, and I am very careful. This person says, hack, lose weight, and it will help even if being fat is not the sole cause. They were talking about my lymphedema. And not being fat is not always a solution to health issues. Someone asked, why did you even make this video? Because I can. This one says, sweetheart, save money by not spending all that money on Starbucks each morning. We'll save you straight $5 each day, which adds up to $100 each month, and in 6 months you have a brand new computer. Actually, didn't even need to do that. You know why? Because all of the hate comments and all of the extra views I got on that video, which is my first What I Eat in a Day video, paid for my new computer. So thank you. I actually really appreciate that because my computer really needed to be replaced. And now I got one. Oh, this one's funny because they used emojis. This says, oh, period, my, period, God, with the barfing emoji, then the green face, like about to barf emoji. Oh, this one actually is a nice comment, but I loved it so much, I'm gonna include it. This says, okay, you're brilliant. I hate chunks in my salsa, and I never thought to blend it. Thanks for changing my life, LOL. Well, you're welcome, because I love changing people's lives with my genius salsa blending. This one, we're back to the mean ones. It says, nope, you're fat because of what we aren't seeing. Don't be so stupid. LOL. Please don't blame your gigantic whale ass on an endocrine disorder or other health problem because that won't fly. Clearly you take fabulous care of yourself. Oh, I sense some serious sarcasm in that. This person thought it would be a great idea to write 4 separate comments. I'm pretty sure they were all on the same video. So it says, the diet is freaking horrendous for someone trying to convince us they eat well. What I said is I don't eat that much food. I didn't say I eat well. I, again, am not stupid. Then they wrote, hashtag snake diet, look it up. I didn't look it up because I don't like snakes and I don't want to know what it means. And please don't tell me what it means. I just would like to live in ignorance. Then Mr. Drew Rogers says, or I'm not going to say they're a Mr. Maybe it's like Drew a girl. Who knows? I start the day off with a liquid lunch and a fucking donut. Wonders why they are massive. Also, not wondering at all. I'm not confused about why I am fat. Everybody else seems to be confused about why I'm not dead, but whatever. Fat person justifying their upcoming medical expenses. I live in Canada where I have universal health care. This is a funny comment, so it's not being mean in any way. I was talking about my Starbucks and like the size I got, and they said it changes in size when I'm having a rough day, and they said, they put that in quotes and says, bitch, if that isn't me. Yeah. This person said fat people's hands disgust me. Well, yeah, they kind of do look like little sausages, don't they? They're so cute. They're so cute. Is this disgusting you now? Finger sausages. Yeah. Alright, so the one that made me laugh a lot says, wow, you're a fat fucking fatty. Oink, oink, piggy wiggy, fatty fatty boomba laddie. Thanks for the little song. I don't really know what that has to do with anything at all, but it entertained me a lot, and I screenshotted it and sent it to my sister, and she laughed about it too. Also, she wondered why the hell it happened. Alright everybody, I hope you all had a good little giggle like I did when I read those comments. Thank you so much for watching. Again, we are so close to hitting 10,000 subscribers. Please subscribe if you want to. Share this video with your friends and whoever you want. Leave some comments down below. I'd love to see some nice ones. I do respond back to all comments that are left within the first 24 hours of a video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!